This is the Nothing Watch Pro. Today we have something special for all CMF Watch Pro users. We are diving deep into the world of Nothing Watch Pro with some amazing tips and tricks. First up, let's talk about customization. We are diving deep into the world of Nothing Watch Pro with some amazing tips and tricks. From classic analog designs to futuristic digital displays, the options are endless. You can do it directly on your watch by long pressing on the watch face to switch it to another watch face. But I would suggest using the CMF Watch app. Because on the watch itself, you will only see 5 watch faces that you have downloaded. You won't be able to see any other watch faces. But in the companion app, you have the access to hundreds of watch faces. You can also check which watch face you have used in the past by tapping on the Mine tab here. You can also add custom photo to your watch face from here. Tap on Custom and add your photo from here. That's it. Now, I will tell you about the hidden menu of the Nothing Watch Pro. Go to the menu and tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on About. Look for the watch version. Tap on the watch version 10 to 15 times until you see another option. On the screen, you will see something written in Chinese. This indicates that the watch has a Chinese software, despite having the cheap side London address printed behind it. I translated it using a translator and found out that it is a menu to activate test mode, similar to the developer mode on Galaxy watches. If you are enjoying this video so far, then hit the like button and consider subscribing. It keeps us motivated to make more informative videos like this. Imagine taking a perfect picture with just a tap on your watch. The Nothing Watch Pro has a remote camera app that lets you control your phone's camera easily. Here's how it works. Tap on the remote camera icon and you can take photos using your phone's camera. If you're using an iPhone, you'll also need to open the camera app. You can set a timer for your photo by tapping on the timer icon and choosing a time between 2 seconds and 5 seconds. This is great for group photos or hands-free moments. While you can't switch your phone's camera to video mode directly from your watch, you can switch it on your phone and then control the video recording using the remote camera app. It's a useful tool for taking photos and managing videos, making your smartwatch experience even better. Next, let's unlock the power of notifications. With the Nothing Watch Pro, you can stay connected without constantly checking your phone. Customize which apps send notification to your watch, so you never miss an important update. You have to allow notifications through its companion app to appear on your Nothing Watch. Head over to the app settings, select notifications and choose your preferred apps. It's that easy. You cannot reply to any SMS or WhatsApp messages. You can only view the latest message you receive. If you want to see the first impressions or unboxing of the Nothing Watch Pro, then tap on the I button to watch an amazing video. The Nothing Watch Pro doesn't have its inbuilt voice assistant, but you can still use a voice assistant with it. When you scroll through the menu, you will see a voice assistant app. However, it only works when it's connected to your phone. And it uses your phone's voice assistant. For example, it's connected to my iPhone. It uses Siri to respond to my voice commands. This tip is particularly handy for those who tend to misplace their phones. The Nothing Watch Pro offers a dedicated app to find your phone. Simply go to the menu and look for the Find My Phone app. Tap on Start and your phone will start ringing. However, remember that your watch and phone need to be connected via Bluetooth, as the Nothing Watch Pro does not have Wi-Fi connectivity. It relies entirely on Bluetooth to locate your phone. This feature adds an extra layer of convenience and peace of mind, ensuring that you can easily locate your phone when needed. You probably already know that with the Nothing Watch Pro you can accept or reject calls and even have full call conversations through the watch. But it also has a feature to add frequent contacts, allowing you to call your favorite contacts without taking your phone out of your pocket. Additionally, it comes with an inbuilt AI noise reduction feature that reduces noise during outdoor calls, delivering clear voice quality. I have personally tried it and it works really well. To add frequent contacts, open the app and click on the watch icon. Then scroll and tap on contacts. After that, tap on the add button to add frequent contacts. You can add up to 20 contacts here. This feature is very handy for quick and easy calling. You can control music on your phone using your Nothing Watch Pro. It has a built-in app that allows you to manage music and even control YouTube videos. Simply go to the menu and tap on Music. Before using this feature, make sure to play a song on your phone. Once the music is playing, you can control it from your watch. You can skip to the next or previous song, play or pause the song, and adjust the music volume as well. If you're in the dark environment and need some light, the Nothing Watch Pro can help. It has a built-in app called Flashlight. Simply tap on it to activate it, and the screen of the Nothing Watch Pro will convert to the brightest white color, providing light. Aside from these features, the Nothing Watch Pro offers a wide range of functionalities such as fitness tracking, weather updates, and much more. You can explore these features in detail by watching the unboxing video and the first impression video. Just tap on the I button for more information. And that's it for today's video.